Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you step by step how to build a mix template that gets you ready to take on real world clients. In today's video, we're going to be talking about buses, so how we can route everything internally within the mix template. So as you can see, as we created the tracks, they automatically set the output to a main output, which is incorrect. So we need to send this voiceover track to the voiceover sub, and we do that by using a bus. Now a bus is just a virtual audio pathway that sends the signal from point A to point B. So imagine an actual bus taking you from one location to another. Okay, so that's the voiceover tracks completed. Let's go ahead and do the sync tracks. If you click on the first track, then hold shift, click on the last track, then hold options, it will change the output of all tracks highlighted. Okay, so we've just skipped ahead, so we've now routed the dialogue tracks, the voiceover tracks, the sound effects tracks, and the music tracks all to their subgroups. Okay, so now we want to send a bus from each of the subgroups to the stem tracks, so we can provide stems at the end of every session. And we're placing a bus on the sends to A and E section just because we want the output of the subgroups to be going to the final mix. And when you create the bus, you want to make sure the fader is not at the bottom, and you want to press Alt-click for it to go back to 0. Now you're not looking to do any automation on this track, you just want to send the signal from A to B. So let's go ahead and do this on the rest of the sub tracks. So your sync sub's going to your sync stem, the sound effects sub's going to your sound effects stem, and your music sub is going to your music stem. And remember to press Alt-click on the faders for each of your buses. So now, as part of the delivery, when we're sending a final mix for TV, we want to send a mix minus track. So that's everything within the mix minus the voiceover. So here I've created a Dear Mini subgroup, dialogue, music and effects subgroup. So I'm going to send all the subgroups apart from the voiceover sub to this track. And then that gets routed to the Dear Mini stem track. I've also muted the output of each of the stem tracks, as we don't need to hear the output when we're printing down. That's it for today's video. Make sure you hit that like button and press subscribe for more content like this.